Hello all you gorgeous keto eaters. Today I'm going to make chicken tenders in my air fryer. They're really good. I did them once before and I think you're gonna love them. I really like the air fryer because it makes food look like it's fried and it's not. It just, I guess the air just circulates around and it makes it look fried. So we're talking zucchini sticks, chicken wings that look like they're fried. You could never get this effect in an oven. So I really dig it. I've sort of perfected my recipe for breading things. I don't use flour at all now, and I just use pork panko, which are pork rinds that have been ground up. They have 0 carbs. And Parmesan cheese, the grated kind, which has 0 carbs. I was using almond flour for a while, but it gave it a weird taste and it kind of made it wet and I didn't like it. First thing you have to do with the air fryer is preheat it. So mine is already preheated and I'm gonna show you how I bread my keto chicken tenders. Chicken tenders are from Trader Joe's, of course, go figure. They're organic chicken breast strips. Take 1 egg, scramble it, put it in 1 bowl, and the Parmesan and breadcrumbs, equal parts. I'd say for this much chicken, 1/2 cup each. And you're gonna dip into the egg and then roll into the breadcrumbs. You have 1 wet hand and 1 dry hand. So you don't want to get the wet hand into the dry ingredients and vice versa. Ten minutes are up, so now I'm going to turn them. But you can see they look pretty close. So I don't like my chicken overcooked. I'm gonna put them back in there. I put them in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 7 minutes, and then I take them out and turn them and set them back in the air fryer. Changed the time for 3 minutes, and then took out the little pieces, put them back in, and let the bigger pieces cook for another 4 minutes. And they're perfect. They look just like the ones and taste just like the ones that are full of carbs in a restaurant. This dip is amazing. If you put more of the whipped cream in it, it could be more of a ranch dressing. A little less whipped cream and a little more lemon, and it's excellent with salmon, or any fish for that matter. So I hope this recipe will inspire you to use your air fryer, or to buy an air fryer, but to continue to eat keto. You don't have to be deprived of fried looking foods and fried tasting foods. Let's all stay sexy and gorgeous together. Thanks for watching. Namaste.